everybody, it's Mercedes and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a V-part wig that I purchased from Unice, and I purchased this wig like last weekend and it only took like 3 or 4 days to actually come to me, so the shipping was super quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this wig with you guys so I can just share my first impressions. All right, so here is the packaging. It came from FedEx, and here is what the box looks like. And it looks like they gave me a few little goodies. So let me open this first. They gave me a small paddle brush, a wig cap, a scarf, this is cute, and some lashes. And there's also another pair of 3D eyelashes. These are super thick lashes. So 2 pairs of eyelashes came in here. I'm gonna put these away. And then the wig is right here in this plastic bag. So this was the V-part wig, and I got the length 20 inches. And I did 20 inches because every time I buy super long hair, I always end up cutting it. So I didn't want to get 24 knowing that I was just gonna cut it anyway. All right, so it comes with a little net over it. So here is what the hair looks like. So just off of first impressions, the curl pattern of the hair is really nice. And as you can see here, this is like the V-part construction. So the part is like very, you can get the like your part to be very close together. There are clips surrounding the part area, and then there also are combs, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. And then there's also this adjustable strap here so that when you do put the wig on, you can tighten it as you need to. So just off of first impressions, the curl pattern of the hair looks very nice. The hair is super soft, but yeah, it's very nice. It's like a, I guess the color that you could compare it to would be like a natural black. Maybe like a 1B, because there is like a lot of hints of like brown in here, so it's not jet black or anything. So yeah, just off of first impressions, the hair feels really nice and the curl pattern is cute. I'll be curious to see what it looks like once I co-wash the hair, because I'm definitely going to do that before I install it. Another thing that I'm definitely going to do is I'm probably going to dye the wig the same color that I dyed my natural hair. If you watch any of my other videos, especially like my recent flat iron routine, you will notice that my hair is not like just one natural black color or like a dark brown, so to speak. There's definitely like lighter brown color on my hair because I did dye my hair like a year ago. And instead of me dyeing my natural hair like to a darker color, I just figured that I should probably just dye this wig to match with my hair. Once I do that, I will come back and show you guys the final result. Between now and then, I might decide something different, who knows, but definitely stay tuned for the install of this wig. Okay, so I'm in the car getting ready to go to the beauty supply store, and I haven't even decided whether I'm going to dye my hair or dye the wig. What the hell is going on? Who's all these people? Sorry guys, there's a lot going on in this parking lot. All these new faces around here. Okay, but yeah. So I'm headed to the beauty supply store. I don't know. Like, yeah, but I know I for sure need some edge control, so I'm gonna pick that up. I'm running out of Eco Styler gel. That always comes into handy, so I'm gonna pick that up as well. As far as the hair dye is concerned, I have no clue. Yeah, but we'll see. I'll check in with you guys after I get from the beauty supply store. So that was kind of a mess because they didn't have the same hair color dye that I dyed my hair originally. So I got the gel and the edge control that I normally get, but then I ended up getting this Clairol semi-permanent color in Espresso Bean. So I got Espresso Bean because it was kind of like the darkest brown that you could get without like getting to black, because I know I don't need to dye my hair black because the unit is not black. It's more like of a really dark brown color. So even though I didn't want to dye my hair, that's probably the best solution that we're looking at right now. I really did want to dye the wig because I thought that would be a really cute color to dye the wig, but I could not find the color, and I don't feel like driving around to 100 beauty supply stores. Like, I just really don't feel like doing that this weekend. You guys will see what ends up happening by that point, because we need to get this look together. Like, we need to get this wig together. So yeah, I'll see you guys later with another update. Okay, so I am back. It has actually been like a few days since you guys saw the last part of my video. I actually did end up dyeing my real hair to match the V-part wig. So you guys saw when I came back from the beauty supply store, I picked up this Clairol Professional semi-permanent color. So I only dyed this really small section at the top of my head, just where the leave out would be. So I wanted to come back, put the wig back on and see what it actually looks like. So I have my mirror here in front of me, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what we're looking like. And actually the other night I did finally wash and condition this wig, and I just let it air dry, and this is what it looks like after air drying. So as you can see, it still has the curl, and yeah, it still feels very, very soft. Okay, so I also have a spray bottle with water, and then I have this Aussie Moist Total Miracle Detangling Spray with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. And this smells really, really good. So I'm going to wet my hair, well, wet the unit with water first. I'm gonna take some of this spray. And I'm also gonna take my paddle brush All right, so now the moment of truth. I'm gonna take my hair, and as you can see, it's just a really, really small section of hair. Next, I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel, and I'm pretty much just gonna use this to like make sure the roots are laying smooth and that the hair is not frizzy. Like initial what it looks like. So I'm gonna take my edge control. And most likely, I'm probably not gonna wear my hair down like this. I'll probably like tuck it behind my ear because I feel like that just looks much better than leaving it like this. It kind of keeps my natural hair from like puffing up as much. So once my hair actually dries, I'm going to come back and show you all what it looks like to see if it's still blending as good as it is right now. So I'm just gonna continue about my day, do what I need to do, and then I will come back once the hair is pretty much like all the way dry, and I will show you guys what it looks like then as well. But this is just like kind of initially what it's giving. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not like all the way, I don't know, enthusiastic about it. So we'll see what it looks like once it dries, and I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, so I am back and I need to film this last part very quickly because there's some construction going on right now and I don't want them to start banging while I'm filming this. But my hair is pretty much like 100% dry, like my actual hair and the unit. And so this is what the final product looks like. So I did use some bobby pins on the side just to keep the hair secure, because just putting it behind my ear, this hair is like very thick, so it wasn't really staying behind the ear. So using the bobby pins definitely does the job. I actually really like it. I didn't really like it at first, but now that it's dry, I actually really like it, and I think it's a really cute style. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I feel like it blends. I mean, obviously it's not the exact same curl pattern, but it does blend well enough that it doesn't look crazy or anything. And of course, because I dyed my natural hair, so I really like it. I am glad that I purchased this wig. Again, this is the V-part 20-inch wig from Unice.com. And yeah, I will leave a link to this particular hair in my description box. Hair feels great. After washing and conditioning the hair, I didn't really get that much shedding. So the shedding was pretty minimal, like just when you first receive it and you're starting to like, you know, work with the hair. But after washing it and conditioning it, I haven't noticed that much shedding. But I will be wearing this for the next few days, so I'll definitely let you guys know how it lasts throughout this next week. But yeah, I'm super happy with the results, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time.